Hey Glam Squad, this is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am going to show you how I took this mirror and turned it into this one. It is going to be a good one, so I encourage you to stick around to see how I do that. Let's get straight into it. I am going to spray paint the mirror in gold, but before I do that, let's cover the mirror with some tape. This is what it looks like after spray paint. It looks very antique. It bothers me, so I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with those lines. Okay friends, let me show you the products I'm thinking of using. I have this crystal chain in 4.3 millimeters. I also have a smaller one in 2 millimeters. I also have these beautiful crystal gems. Everything is from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. I am trying different designs to see which one will work. Finally, I have decided to put the bigger chain on the border of the frame. I'd like to take this opportunity to say, if you are a returning Glam Squad, welcome back. If you are new, welcome as well. We are glad to have you. I am happy that you have decided to tag along and follow me in this journey of creating my beautiful, glam, and happy home. I do not have enough of the bigger chain, so I'm using the smaller chain now. I know it is really hard to tell on camera. I put 2 rows of the smaller chain on the inner border of the frame, but only on the shoulder length. However, I could not get rid of the traditional look of the mirror, so I have decided to cover the frame with my Glam wrap. On a side note, I did have to spray paint the wrap in gold as well, and I did add a little bit of glitter, just a tiny bit, to bring back the shine. This is the original color of the wrap. It's more of a yellow. This is the smaller crystal chain I mentioned to you earlier. This is what it looks like with the chain and the wrap. I think it's looking really nice so far. What do you guys think? Now, my favorite part, putting the gems in this baby. On a different note, if you have been affected by the coronavirus, my heart goes out to you. This is a very long mirror, you guys. I'd like to give you guys an up-close look on how I lay down the first 3 stones. I meant the first 4. I hope you guys can see the shine in this thing. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. You know I love my bling. All 4 corners are done now, so let's clean up. True fact about me, I dance whenever I'm very happy with anything, so I guess I'm very happy with this DIY. This is what it looks like on a low light setting. Let me know what you think about this DIY and how I'm improving. I will put a link of my other DIYs at the end of the video. Please check them out. Show your love by subscribing and help me with my goal of 2,500 subscribers by the end of next month. And be sure to turn on your notification bell. This is how they will notify you each time I upload a new video. And friends, show me some encouragement by hitting your like button. I thank you for spending some time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you. Until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.